Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed. The world's biggest power is the youth and beauty of a woman. The biggest Guru mantra is never share your secrets with anybody. It will destroy you. There is some self-interest behind every friendship. There is no friendship without self-interests. This is a bitter truth. Never settle for anything less than what you deserve. It is not pride, it is self-respect. Humbleness is at the root of self-control. A person who cannot decide his goal simply cannot win. No one can defeat a powerful mind. It is the mind of man alone that is the cause of his bondage or freedom. Once a man's ambition is kindled, nothing can stop him. For a businessman, no country can be too far. For a wise man, there is no such thing as a foreign land. He is at home wherever he goes. Skills are called hidden treasure, as they save like a mother in a foreign country. Once you start working on something, don't be afraid of failure and don't abandon it. People who work sincerely are the happiest. We should not fret for what is past, nor should we be anxious about the future. Men of discernment deal only with the present moment. God is not present in idols. Your feelings are your God. The soul is your temple. Wealth, a friend, a wife, and a kingdom may be regained, but this body, when lost, may never be acquired again. Money comes and goes, so is the youth. Life goes and goes the soul. Nothing lasts forever. The only thing that stays firm is your faith. Till the enemy's weakness is known, he should be kept on friendly terms. A person should not be too honest. Stray trees are cut first, and honest people are screwed first. There are two ways to deal with thorns and wicked people. One is to crush them, and the other is to stay away from them. There are three gems upon this earth: food, water, and pleasing words. Fools consider pieces of rocks as gems. He who lives in our mind is near, though he may actually be far away. But he who is not in our heart is far, though he may really be nearby. Avoid him who talks sweetly before you, but tries to ruin you behind your back. For he is like a pitcher full of poison with milk on top. Don't judge the future of a person based on his present conditions, because time has the power to change black coal to shiny diamond. Whoever helps you at the time of illness, misfortune, famines, and invasion is your true brother in the real sense. For the moon, though one, dispels the darkness, which the stars, though numerous, cannot. A learned man is honored by the people. A learned man commands respect everywhere for his learning. Indeed, learning is honored everywhere. Treat your kid like a darling for the first 5 years. For the next 5 years, scold them. By the time they turn 16, treat them like a friend. Your grown-up children are your best friends. Too much beauty got Sita kidnapped. Too much ego got Ravana killed. And too much charity got Raja Bali in deep trouble. So, too much of anything is bad. One should refrain from too much. You can win over a greedy by offering money, a proud person by covering before him. You can win a foolish by agreeing with him, and you can win a scholar by truth only. A man who has mercy and compassion for all creatures is religious for show. He does not require any religious symbol or sign to prove his religiousness. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.